Here's how I make cinematic visual effects all on iPhone using Node Video. Node Video is essentially like the After Effects on mobile. You can use a ton of different assets and presets to build effects, whether it's a saber effect or any kind of glow effects. You can do water reflections. You can also do 3D animation in Node Video. So this is really great if you have like a vehicle and you want to do a flying vehicle shot. You can then keyframe different elements in the timeline. So if I want to have like a dynamic space background, I could import that and then import the 3D object and like have the 3D object move around the background and keyframe everything. And all the things that you could do in something like After Effects, you can do in Node Video. It's incredible that this tool exists. I never really set out to do visual effects, but as someone building an urban fantasy project called Coloriculum, it's important for me to be able to get my ideas out of my head and into reality as quickly as possible. That said, visual effects is not particularly straightforward. You have to film your shots or create your assets in a particular way for the scene that you're trying to craft so that it's believable. So that might require using a particular type of light, texturing the 3D asset in a way where that it makes sense, keeping in mind the camera and like what the camera is doing, always referencing stuff, especially from my favorite things, always kind of paying attention to how that stuff works and then figuring out what can I pull from, what can I take from, and how can I incorporate those techniques so that like I can just make the thing that much more believable so that it serves the story. But overall, you can do big budget visual effects all on iPhone, and I think that's so cool. Highly recommend it for anyone who wants to learn it. If you do, let me know what you think, and I look forward to seeing what you all create.